I'm Fred Lill. I'm the owner of Lill Packaging. We're Europe's largest independent producer of e-commerce packaging. And this presentation is about sustainability and particularly plastic-free, with a case study particularly focused at Beauty Bay, a client we've been working with since summer of last year. So the real method that is behind how we provide improvement for internet retailers is best explained by our S.U.R.F method. So S.U.R.F. It's a process design method standing for, as you see here, sustainability, unboxing experience, reduction in returns and shipping, and faster fulfillment. Actually, generally the goal for internet retailers is ticking all of those boxes will achieve much faster growth than the 16% e-commerce industry average growth. Basically, this S.U.R.F method actually reduced the overall spend to Beauty Bay. So on this first up letter of S.U.R.F, sustainability, they're saying, I think the retailers that get this right without inflating the unit cost to the customer will mop up in a few years. And actually, retailers who are basically stalling or failing to satisfy their clients' demand for improved sustainability are going to fall behind, particularly retailers who are focused on the millennials and the Gen Zs. Before S.U.R.F, they were using Beauty Bay a half a ton of plastic tape, 45 tons of void fill paper, and as a result, after the S.U.R.F method implementation summer of last year, they had no longer any need for plastic tape, even for customer returns, since actually a second strip of peel and seal was actually applied on the inside of the box here. So even as well, to the extent of having built in with the box, what's known as breeze paper, it's like a friction adhesive paper that grips the item inside the box, and it's integrated within the package to avoid that void fill need. FSC accreditation was on all of the products produced using eco-friendly inks, and one big step that actually is happening in the coming weeks is actually using the plastic-free accreditation printed right on top of the boxes. That's a big thing that is going to be kudos to their customers. The next letter of S.U.R.F method of improving the packaging for internet retailers, U stands for the unboxing experience. So actually, this is a survey by .com of e-commerce consumers showing that actually those that had a positive unboxing experience, 40% said they share an image, to the effect that Google are saying it's the most powerful form of free marketing, encouraging your clients to vlog, the most powerful form of free marketing. Packaging delivers emotion in terms of actually getting that brand alignment to elicit that emotion that is desired from your consumer or customer is a very important thing. So moving on to the unboxing experience before the S.U.R.F method implementation, very poor social media engagement as far as the boxes were concerned. In fact, Beauty Bay are known for having one of the largest social media followings in internet retailing. But actually, they felt at the time their exterior was a bit of bland, needed improvement. And we could actually only find one image of their old packaging on social media as an example here, where if you compare that to basically the 9 slides where I gave you a kind of sneak peek earlier, if we go back to it, this is actually client imagery. This isn't photos taken by Beauty Bay. This is their clients taking photos, vlogging, and putting posts on social media to the point that they've had thousands of social media interactions. So moving on to the next subject, returns, or reduced returns and shipping. This is just a statement Amazon uses as part of their S.U.R.F program. This transit testing by Amazon is effectively, I think it was mentioned before, you can adopt this to your own methods, whether you're a startup business or actually just looking at your own damage protections. Effectively, it's 15 drops from knee-high on your different surfaces and corners of your box, and then it's 2 drops from hip height down onto corners. So 17 different drops are reduced shipping. Before the S.U.R.F method, they had industry standard levels of returns, and actually negligible returns are reported now. The final letter of S.U.R.F, our S.U.R.F method to improve internet retailers' packaging experience, faster fulfillment. Now this is very simple theory up on the screen here. It's basically saying 2 times faster effectively could mean half labor, or 2 times faster could mean double the capacity for growth. Now this is not a beauty bay example, but often packaging spend for an internet retailer is 1/3 of their total fulfillment labor spend. So in an example where an internet retailer is spending £100,000 on packaging, the likelihood is that they're spending approximately £300,000 on labor. So this puts into context, if you're able to, whether you're selling packaging or whether you're buying packaging, implement something that can be proven to be 20% faster in fulfillment, in this example, it can save £60,000 worth of labor. Finally, faster fulfillment. Now, when I explained earlier about generally the fact that packaging spend can often mean up to 3 times the cost in fulfillment labor, the average packing time for Beauty Bay before this S.U.R.F method implementation was 86 seconds average pack time. After the S.U.R.F method, it's 55 seconds average pack time. So 36% pack labor gain, that's monumental. Scaling for future growth and also making labor more effective.